Oh yeah. Hey look, first time recording on the new camera. I can actually see myself because there's a screen right there. It's pretty sick. Anyway, I'm replacing this hose that got rubbed. There's a hole down there. The AC compressor actually rubbed a hole in that hose because you can actually take this whole assembly and move it because it's all loose, so it needs to be attached. I assume the mounts or whatever that hold it together are broke or this car was wrecked. So I got this replacement hose. I think it goes like that. So the hole that got rubbed in it is right here. It's a little pinhole from just sliding back and hitting the compressor. Pretty sure to get this side, which goes up into the engine, I gotta crawl underneath, which means I had to take the skirt down. So I'm gonna be doing that. Man, this camera looks really good. Holy cow. I'm excited to see like what it looks like actually on video. It's gonna be cool. Okay, so the lower radiator hose on a 1.5 2016 Ford Fusion has, unfortunately, I had to use, where'd they go? These 11-inch needle noses. And if you can see down there, I was actually able to get through the top to that one down there. Yeah, you can see it right there. And then what you do to get the other one is, unfortunately, you got to take the oil filter off, and then you come down here, you undo the skirt, and then I was able to stick my needle noses through there and actually get it on. I'm trying to maneuver the camera where you can see it, but basically you'll be able to see it, yeah, right there, after you take the filter off, and you can get to it somewhat easily. So there you go, that's how you do that lower radiator hose. I didn't see a video on it, so I figured it out, and now I'm gonna post a video. It's hot, stay safe. Also, just for reference, this is the hole that was rubbed in it. Yikes, pretty bad. That is all.